Sometimes it's necessary to upload multiple files to the same metadata information. We're going to use the Illinois Labor Market Review. There are 3 files from December of 2011. They're 3 separate PDFs, but they need to be attached to the same metadata information. So we're going to start with these 3. You actually have to download them to your computer and then upload them to the metadata generator. So here we go. We're going to start with Need Money for School, 3,500 sources on IDES website. I'm going to click Save Link As, and I'm going to move that into a subdirectory I made called Labor Market Review, and just save it right there. Since all of these are hyperlinked to other web pages instead of directly to the PDF, we've got sort of a extra step in here, but you get the idea. There's the PDF, and we're going to save link as and save it into that file. I'm going to go back. If I don't go directly to the hyperlink and just try to do it from here, it just gives me the web page, and I don't want to save the HTML web page. I want the actual artifact. Sometimes you have to do that when they break it up like this. So I'm saving this one as. If you've used the metadata generator or had the training on the metadata generator, then you know, well, I showed you how to do this, but let me show you again. I'm going to come down to my template and call it up here for the Illinois Labor Market Review. I'm going to go ahead and take the liberty of putting in December, whoops, at some point, December 2011. Have that information in there. I don't have too many keywords. I do have the acronym for the agency. I'm going to highlight the title here and copy it, the first part of the title. When it's on 2 lines like that, for some reason it doesn't copy into the metadata generator right, so you have to go back and do it twice. I'm going to get the subtitle. I'm not using a colon before the subtitle because there's already punctuation there. I'm pasting it there. I'm going to use a period to separate these, although you could use a comma. And I don't have to skip a line there. Go back to my subdirectory. I'm going to pick the next file on the list, which is the Decreased Household Wealth PDF. I got it opened right here. Again, copying the title 1 line at a time. And although it's not very interesting, this one is going to get a colon before the subtitle. You could use the author's name in the keyword field. I'm not doing that today because I just kind of want to get to the upload part. Date created, since each of these has a, whoops, let me get the other title in here. Since each of these has a different date, I just happen to know the first one is, well, I can check my properties here. The first one is February 1st of 2012 is when it came out. Each of these has a different date that it was created. I mean, I can't put all 3 of them in, but if I have one in there that's close to all of them, it'll be fine. I'm going to upload files that comprise a single document, so I don't have to do the next 3 things where it says if you're uploading you can skip the next 3 lines. There's no copyright information. They do have a publication year of 2011, and they are all December, which is sort of a point we're trying to get across. There's no agency program or URL that is associated with this. The address is already in my template, so I come down to the bottom and there's the agency, and I click Create a New Record. We're almost done. Since I have the titles here in front of me, I'm going to highlight one right now, the first one that we put in, and up at the top there you can see it says click here to upload your files. You have to put your username and password in again because the upload goes off a different server. There's a metadata number automatically assigned, and I'm going to paste the title in here for this first one. I'm going to go back and check the properties. It's Acrobat Distiller, and the version is 9.0.0 Windows. So that's Acrobat Distiller 9.0.0 Windows. Just like it is in the document properties. I need to choose a file now. And the files are located in, on my C drive under EDI, Labor Market Review, and that's the one, Paying for School. I click Open, and this is not the last one I'm going to upload, so I'm selecting No. I didn't really select it, it's the default. And I'm going to click Upload the files. Over here is where it says Upload the next one now, which isn't real obvious, but there it is. The number stays the same, of course. I need my next title, so I'm going to click on my tab and go back and get my next title, which is the Decreased Household Wealth PDF. I'm going to copy that, just so I don't have to rekey it. You can rekey it if you like. I'm pasting it in, choosing my file. Where is it? Up there at the top. Clicking Open. And you don't see the entire path when you click on that, but there's enough there. I want to check my properties just to see, yep, and it's a different authoring tool, different producer. This one is Adobe PDF Library, and the version was 9.9. And it's still not my last file, so I'm still having no. Make sure I got that. Yes, I still have my file in there. And I'm uploading my file in descriptive materials. Going to upload the next one now. Waiting for the computer. There we go. Let me get my next title again, just so I don't have to rekey it. The software used to make this one, Adobe PDF Library. I sped the film up, by the way, so it's not, you know, have to go through the painful process of watching that again. And the answer this time is yes. This is my last one, and I'm going to upload it. And that is that.